go through the transformation features. For this I am going under start, select the mechanical design and part design, and I am transformations. Okay. And for this I am going to use a profile on this plane, sketch, and I am going to use a profile like this, up there, like this, up there, there, until there. And I am going to make a extrusion of this, and 20 is okay. Now I am going to under insert transformation feature, I am going to use the transformation, and the object I want transform, it is the pad. I am going to insert transformation and select the direction. I am going to use that direction, and I am going to make it as 100. Okay. Now it is transformed. You can use another transformation. You can use that direction, and we are going to make it as 100 as well. Okay, now we are going to select, and I am going to use rotation, okay, and the axis of rotation I am going to use this one, and I am going to make it 90 degrees. Now it is rotated. I am going to use the select the path from the tree, and I am going to use symmetry, okay, and I am going to use that surface, and it is okay. Now I am going to use again the symmetry, and I am going to use that surface, and it is replaced. I am going to use mirror, and I am going to use that face, and it is mirrored, and I am going to use again, this time I am going to use that surface, and it is mirrored. Another thing, we can use another plane. but later we are going to go through to make planes. Okay, what we have, we are going to use the pad 1, use the pad 1. It is not first symmetry, that mirror. I am going to scale it, scaling, and I am going to make it the double, and the reference is from in this surface, and it is doubled. If I use that surface instead, it's going to be so long. If I am going to use that surface, it's going to be in that direction, so long. If I'm going to use that one, in that, it keep that face, and the rest of them is double. And if I use that face, it's going to be double there, and if I use that face, it is double the rest of them. And you can use that face, and you can use that face, and you can use that face, as we have used this one or this one or that one. So we are going to use the affinity. The origin is that point, and the xy plane is that surface, and x-axis is that direction, and we don't need the rotation is 10 degree in x, in y is 10 direction, 10. We are going to see what happened, and we are going to modify, and instead we are going to make y direction, and it is so. And again in z direction 10. Now it is big. Okay, it was all in this tutorial. See you on next tutorial.